Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to get on here and talk a little bit about why am I doing this. I'm doing this for a couple reasons, and the primary reason is for my kids. My kids, my friends, and my family. What I want to do is I wanted to take all the knowledge that I've acquired over the years about finance, both the good and the bad, the mistakes, things to avoid, and the things that have worked, and share them in a recorded form so that they are here when I'm gone. So in these videos, you'll see me talk about things that I really do believe in. A lot of these things are alternative ways of looking at things. So a lot of the financial experts and gurus may not agree with them, and that's okay. But these are things that I have found work. I also want you to avoid the mistakes I did make. There's a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of bad advice. There's a lot of garbage out there regarding finance, savings, investing, and all that stuff. I want to protect you guys from as much of that nonsense as I possibly can. So in these videos, if I talk about it, these are my actual positions. And another reason I'm doing this is to help all the rest of you. If you're not my friends, family, or my kids, that's okay. I'm still here to share this knowledge to help as many people as possible. Know that this is the same advice I give my kids. This may or may not work in your situation. That's okay. You can take this information and go to your legal advisors or your financial people and see if it does work for you. If nothing else, it's another way to look at things. And I'd like to see what I could do with this channel. Is this something I can build up? Is this something I can do something with? Or is it simply an archive of my knowledge that I'm passing on to my kids? Either way, that's fine. That's why I'm doing all this. So your subscription, likes, and comments go a long ways, and I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time.